All right, I am back and I'm holding a knife. So you know what that means. We're going to be unboxing something. But first, I'm going to make you sit through this really long intro. So a few weeks ago, I took a pretty big L, as I usually do, on a pair of shoes that I had been waiting for a pretty long time, or not that long of a time, maybe just like a few days before they actually dropped. And I had to go through the secondary market to get these. So you know, when you're buying on the secondary market, when you're going through GOAT or you're going through StockX, you have to wait forever to get your shoes. But the day has finally come, and the sneakers that I'm referring to are the New Balance Vision Racer in collaboration with Jaden Smith. This has a really dope box. I don't usually showcase the boxes because I never care. Like with Yeezys, it's literally just a brown box and it says like Boost or the number on it. This pretty cool white box, it has Jaden Smith's Vision logo on there. This is a box made of 100% recycled material. As you know, Jaden Smith is all about environmentally friendly things. So it's really cool that New Balance met him halfway on his vision here and allowed him to make an environmentally friendly sneaker with environmentally friendly packaging. Blah, 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 blah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that 10 seconds of me showing off the box, because I'm probably not going to be doing that unless there's like some amazing shoebox that comes out. But boxes are boxes, so who really cares? Now let's take a look at the New Balance Vision Racer in collaboration with Jaden Smith. So here we have the actual sneaker.
It looks hella good. Wow. Alright, so I actually had to let it cool off a little bit. It was really hot.
Leading up to the release of the Vision Racer, we did see some pictures of Jaden Smith wearing the sneaker, some promotional ads from New Balance showing off the shoe. And the shoe actually appeared to be somewhat of a pinkish tint, like a purplish shoe. Taking it out of the box though, you can see that this is very much so like a baby blue color. That pink tint is something that a lot of Jaden Smith fans may be familiar with just from watching his videos. A lot of his videos have that pinkish tint coming from the sky. So that of course affected the images of the shoe, making it sort of look like it was purplish. But here you go, it is definitely blue. The shoe is definitely a little bit bigger than I was thinking it was. There's a lot of ground covered on this midsole. It may be about like 2 inches that are added to your height. Similar to the box, a lot of the material that's used on the actual shoe is environmentally friendly. You have like vegan leather on this. You have recycled material that's used on the insole. So shout out to Jaden Smith for caring about the earth and implementing all sorts of environmentally friendly things in his shoes and his products. The base of this shoe is this fine mesh that basically covers from the toe all the way back, and over that you have some overlays with vegan leather. You have that strip that's going around the entire shoe that shows off that Vision logo. Some more vegan leather going up the overlays with the laces. Maybe my favorite part of the shoe would be the sole. As you can see on the sole of the shoe, it does have that Vision logo that you're used to seeing from Jaden Smith. It's really similar to the font that you might find on his album Sire or Eris. This shoe does come with an extra pair of laces, a white pair. I don't think that I'll be switching them out, but I think that could be pretty interesting to see. The actual lace tabs, one tab has the word Vision on there, the logo, and on the other one it displays the New Balance logo, or the newer New Balance logo, which is also on the back. It's just an NB. The tongue on this is really interesting. It kind of like folds inside of the shoe, and it has a pull tab on there, which again reveals that logo, the Vision, and right beside that says Racer. Now, I'm not typically a huge New Balance guy for obvious reasons, but I did want to spring for this shoe just because I thought it was a really cool collaboration with Jaden Smith and New Balance. And Jaden Smith is always pushing the envelope, so I did think that this would be a cool shoe once it comes out. And I think it's lived up to that expectation. I had a huge problem with actually purchasing these though. I woke up on the day that these released and I was extremely early. You know, as soon as they dropped on New Balance, I was able to get them into my cart. But for some reason, I just could not purchase them. Every single time I tried to purchase it, it would bounce me back to select the shoes again. I tried on different browsers, same thing. So I don't know if this might have been like a stunt from New Balance to like kind of hype these up, like they sold out of nowhere. But a lot of people had that same issue, like they could not purchase them off of New Balance. I have heard rumors that there's going to be a second colorway for these. So hopefully everything works out next time on New Balance and I'll be able to actually cop them, because I didn't want to pay resale on these at all. It's not that bad regardless, but still I didn't want to do that. And I didn't want to have to wait. That was another big thing. When I bought these, resale was I think like $245, $250, which isn't horrible, but at the same time, I think these dropped for, if I'm not mistaken, like $150. So I don't want to pay that extra $100, you know, but I went ahead and sprung on them. Hopefully it's worth it. As far as sizing, I went true to size on these. I wear an 11, copped an 11, and it feels perfectly fine. Now, for me, this shoe is mostly built off of hype and off of the collaboration with Jaden Smith. That's really what makes this shoe. I don't think it's the most beautiful shoe, but I do think it has some really creative aspects to it. And I do like to see that New Balance is allowing Jaden Smith to implement his creativity on the sneaker. But now, the moment that you've all been waiting for, I'm gonna throw these on and we'll see what they look like on feet.
Hey, moving on now, you vex. Got a lot of words for me still. Wish that you would save your breath. Nice and shawty, it's been real. Oh yeah, I see you still in your feels. Oh yeah, big time still in your. Hey, phone still ringing off. I don't ever pick it up with ya. I don't wanna talk it all. Got your guns aimed at my pictures. Screwed up, pulling out the house like Swisher. Whole lot of enemies, y'all should all link up. Let y'all be friends, always on 10. Always saying something I won't ever hit an end. Me and you, we just can't blend. I just had to walk.
There you have it, a detailed look at the New Balance Vision Racer in collaboration with Jaden Smith. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that and hopefully you got the information that you were looking for. Let me know if you guys were able to pick these up, whether it was retail or resale. And also let me know your honest opinion on these. Do you like these shoes and are you looking out for another colorway? Leave all that in the comments below. And if you made it this far in the video, comment SIRE below. I will see you in the next video. Peace.